Staying cool without AC usually feels like a losing battle. Most of the tips you find online, like just close the blinds, barely make a difference. But after experimenting with a few different setups this summer, these are the ones that kept my room cool. First, you have to block the sunlight before it heats your room. Most people wait until they're already sweating to shut the curtains. By then, the room is a literal oven. By consistently closing the curtains to my east and south facing windows early in the morning, my living room felt 10 to 15 degrees Fahrenheit cooler by noon. The type of curtain you use also matters. If you can see light through them, they aren't doing very much. You need the heavy blackout ones. And if that's not in your budget, I've literally taped aluminum foil and reflective films to my sun-facing windows. Did it look like a science experiment gone wrong? Absolutely. But did it work? Honestly, yes. Another old school trick is the wet sheet method. You hang a damp white bedsheet over a doorway where there's a breeze. It sounds like something from the 1800s, but as the water evaporates, it actually cools the air. It's like a low-tech natural air conditioner. This works better if you actually set up proper cross ventilation. You need to open windows on opposite sides of your home. This will create a natural wind tunnel that pushes hot air out and pulls cooler air in. You also need to be disciplined with the timing. From about 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., that's peak heat, so close your windows. Then, when the outside air drops below your indoor temperature, mostly in the evening and early morning, open them. Once you've got the air moving, there's another old school ice fan trick that works, and that is placing a bowl of ice or frozen water bottles in front of a fan. This will create a cool breeze as air blows over the ice. If you're standing across the room, you probably won't feel a thing. But if you sit directly in front of it, the difference is definitely noticeable. Also, adding a pinch of salt to the ice water helps make it colder. Now, none of these hacks will be a magic substitute for an AC, but by mixing and matching and adapting them to your home's layout, they make summer genuinely bearable.